Motorheads, all right, guys. Who is going to get the first gift certificate? Who's going to get it? Here we have 268 names, 268 email addresses on these papers. I don't want to flash them. You know, I don't really want anybody to read somebody else's email address because we take our security seriously, and we're not sharing email names with anybody. But here we are. They're printed out. We're going to cut these out. We're going to fold the papers up. We're going to make little folds out of them. Kind of a, oh, let's flip that over. Going to make little folds out of them like that, and we're going to throw them into a container. And this video you're getting ready to watch is a long video. It explains what's going on, where we're at. You're gonna in the next couple days, you're gonna get to meet the rest of the board. In this video, you're gonna talk about I talk about who all is working with me, and we're bringing more people into this to get this done for you guys. So the bottom line is, this week, today, the drawing's over. Okay. Somebody out of 268 people is going to get we're going to give away two $100 gift certificates, and we're going to give away a $1,000 gift certificate for parts from the TUI collection. And as we get these parts online, as we get this store built, somebody's going to get to go in and get the parts they need. So stay tuned for this long video. I hope you watch it to the end. I know it's probably a 15-minute video. I don't even know yet because I haven't processed it. But I think it'll be worth it for you parts gatherers out there, because we got a lot of great original parts to give back. So there's my opener. Here comes the spinning tire and my long video about car parts. CudaBill out for now. Alright, Motorheads, how's that an entrance for you? So here's what's going on. We're getting ready to pick. We've had 268 people come into the storefront and sign up for our newsletter, send us emails, and or became a purchaser of our store. So all those names have been printed on paper. They're going to be cut out. They're going to be folded up in a little piece of paper like that. And this Thursday, we're going to release the video of the drawing. Okay, we're going to bring the nonprofit board members together. We're going to sit down. We're going to talk for a few minutes, and then we're going to draw names. Okay, 3 people. Okay. Now, when I started this campaign exactly 6 months ago, I was hoping for a much bigger situation, but our videos just weren't getting out the views. Hopefully all this will help, because we are truly giving away brand new car parts that were made in the 60s, 70s, and 80s. Really good stuff. If you haven't seen our videos, go see them. We cleaned out a warehouse in Louisville, Kentucky, and we brought it all back together. We stacked it up, and we're selling car parts, okay? At below market value, okay? We're really good stuff at below market value. So, some of you know, some of you don't. We started a campaign February 23rd, and it was going to run until August 23rd, and that's today. So the campaign's over. We have, like I said, 268 people. And we're going to draw some names. We're going to give away gift certificates the way the parameters were. The first 100 people pick one gift certificate. The next 300 people pick another $100 gift certificate. And at the end of the campaign, pick a $1,000 gift certificate, no matter how many people. And I'm going to keep my word. It's a shame we only got 268, but we decided to pick 2 $100 gift certificates and $1,000 gift certificate. Now, what's this all about? This is for the Motorhead Men Nonprofit Foundation, okay? Our goals are to build a tech center and to help this, you know, we work with veterans, we work with disabled, we work with young men, young women, old women who, you know, whoever's looking to learn how to do something with your car, the goal is to open a tech center and help teach you do things in your car. There's a lot of people out there that are still working on these old cars. If you guys don't know a guy named Kenneth Mahan, he has a massive collection of old cars, and a lot of them in really good shape. The other day, I met a young lady in her 20s. Her and her boyfriend have an old car, and they're diligently trying to work on it because they love the old car. There's still old cars out there. They say the old cars are dead. No, they're not. No, they're not. It's never going to happen like the Model A's and Model T's where nobody's as interested in them. Like today, they're taking the Model A's and Model T's and turning them into rat rods. Cars are here, period. They're not going away in that fact. Yes, some are out of many price ranges because they've been restored and put up on a pedestal. The cars we build and the cars we help build are everyday drivers. Everybody, I'm going to say 90% of the people that I work for, we built everyday drivers. They're clean, they're nice, they look great going down the road, they look great sitting still, but they're not showpieces. They weren't built to be showpieces. There wasn't $100,000 stuck in them. It was an old car taken, saved, and put together, and that's what this nonprofit foundation is about. So how this is going to play out, okay? We've printed out all of our emails, okay? And again, this Wednesday, the board members are going to meet. We're going to do a video. And this Thursday afternoon, or next Thursday afternoon, we're going to release the video of all of us picking the 3 gift certificates. No, today's not about a special discount part day or any of that. And we're going to continue to, on Sundays, have discount part days. For people who come in and sign up in newsletter, we are going to start sending out once a month. We're going to pick a part and we're going to make it an even bigger discount part flyer. So I guess for now what I can say is appreciate your likes, your comments, your follows. Appreciate everybody coming in to see what we're doing. We're working real hard on this. It's been an interesting task. Many of you have followed, and for the ones who haven't, you can go back and see everything we've done. Bringing all this stuff off the tractor trailers, putting it in bins, taking it out of the bins, putting it on shelves. It shows a lot of what we've done, and it's been, we've had our moments with it. We've had our moments with the storefront. Okay, for the guys now, let me explain. Some guys have sent in parts wanted emails. I've been able to help some of these guys. Some of these guys we haven't found the parts they're looking for yet. And as we get that particular section, we got all the water. We got, I'm going to say, 70% of the water pumps inventory, the fuel pumps inventory, the calibers inventory. What we do, we then put them in the store and we search out what number they are and what they fit. So as we find this stuff, you guys who send in emails will get first come, first serve. I promise you that. Okay? Guarantee that. Everything else is going to be available in the store as we get it in there. Me and Mr. Pete have worked really hard to document this stuff, to get the database working. We've had to learn databases. It's been interesting. We've had to learn a lot more admin, and we've had to learn to work with this store. This store's been hacked a few times. Seems like somebody doesn't want me to sell these car parts. Very discouraging. But we've worked through all of it, and we're getting it out there. Little piece, day by day. We average probably, I'm going to say 50 to 60 things a day. We get listed properly in the store and out for sale. So for the ones who have signed up in the newsletter, you're going to get updates as every week we will send a newsletter out. And I'm hoping to send one out this morning, our first newsletter, because I've done 5 or 6 test newsletters. At first we struggled with the email. Somehow the email wasn't hooked up right. It wasn't going through. We now have a verified email, so they won't go to spam addresses. And at first we're not going to add links in it. Any email with a link in it seems to go to people's spam folder. So we're at first, the first email going out is not going to be have any links in it. It's just going to explain to you what's going on and that this video has been dropped. From there, we will start putting links into things that we put out, things that we've listed, specials of the week. So stay tuned for all this, guys. I'm trying to get as much information out to you as I can and to show you how transparent the Motorhead Men Nonprofit Foundation is trying to be. Just a bunch of old car people that are trying to do something good for people. We're not in it for the money. We're in it for the passion. So again, thanks for stopping by. Tune in Thursday afternoon. I will share the videos on both platforms, and we're going to see who gets to win the $1,000 worth of free car parts. And with our parts, you're going to get quite a few parts. Alright guys, rambled enough. CudaBill out for now.